market, what to expect in a discount, what to anticipate in a discount, and how to identify a discount. Before this video starts, guys, make sure you guys smash a like. We are almost at 2,000 subscribers. That's going to be a big goal for me for my YouTube channel. So make sure you guys if you guys enjoy the content, make sure you guys help out, and subscribe. Like I say, guys, we're going to be going over a discount market. In my last video, we talked about premium. In a discount market, what we're going to be doing, guys, we're going to be looking to take trades below key levels. What does that mean, Ron? What does take trades below a key level mean? We're looking at old lows. As you can see right here, follow my cursor. We're looking at old lows, previous week lows, previous month lows, previous session lows. These three lows are going to be important for a smart money reversal. Once the market starts to trade below old lows, previous week lows, previous month lows, previous session lows, we're not going to chase this. We're not going to say, oh, it just went below this low, it's going to be a breakout for sales. No, that's what retail, that's what dumb money thinks. As smart money traders, once the market trades below old lows, previous week lows, previous month lows, previous session lows, we are going to be anticipating the bullish one shot, one kill. So what to look for in a discount market. So now that price has, you can see right here in this hindsight example, price has reached our blue box right here, which is going to be our discount array. So price has reached our discount array inside of our discount market. What do we look for now, Ron? What do I wait for now? What should I be looking for, Ron? First and foremost, price needs to be inside of a higher time frame discount array. For example, order block, fair value gap, inversion fair value gap, or a breaker. Whichever POI fits you, because I know a lot of people use supply and demand, they use Wyckoff, all this other stuff. Whatever fits your, floats your boat, use that. At the price reaches the discount market, we're going to be waiting for a clear liquidity run. So it goes back here. You want to see price taking out a previous week low, or a previous month low, or a previous session low. You want to see one of these lows taken out, because that's going to put you inside of a discount market. Once again, guys, clear liquidity runs and displacement before engaging in setups. Now, you want to make sure that you are seeing your displacement on the daily chart. Throughout this boot camp, I will teach you guys how to do top-down analysis, and I'm going to teach you guys how to read the higher time frame charts. So once again, guys, you want to see clear liquidity runs and displacement before engaging in setups. The next bullet point here is going to say once price reaches the discount array, we're going to wait and anticipate a bullish one shot, one kill setup. You guys should already know what the bullish one shot, one kill setup consists of. If you watched the first video of my boot camp, I literally broke down the model. I broke down the rule. I told you exactly what to look for when you're looking for a one shot, one kill setup. So make sure if you guys skip that first video, make sure you guys go watch that first video, because it's very, very, very key to this boot camp. The last rule, guys, price needs to have a high impact news release for that week. So it's going to be 8:30 news for USD, 10 a.m. news for USD, or whichever pair that you're trading. You want to make sure that pair has news. Me personally, I trade the US dollar pairs a lot, so I'm looking at 8:30 news, 10 a.m. news, FOMC, CPI, NLP. I'm looking at those news releases to send my trade to where it needs to be at. So now that we have went over the the housekeeping stuff of a discount market, let's now go inside of a real example that was taken on a real account, real money, not demo, not paper trading, not evaluation, not phase 1, not phase 2, taking on a live account with payouts shown. If you don't believe me, once again, go join my Telegram chat where I post all of my payouts, all of my success, and not only do I post my stuff there, all of my students do the exact same thing. So right here, guys, we're going to be going over AUD/CHF. This trade was taken on April 17th. This was a amazing bullish one shot, one kill setup that I took, and not only me, my students took the exact same trade. So if we're going to start here on the daily chart, so we're going to start on the daily chart. Right here on the daily chart, guys, what do you guys see? Right, what do you guys see? I want you guys to answer that question, in your room, write it down. What do you see? I hope that you said that price is in the discount. And let's go over the reason why price is in the discount. This low right here, this was the low of August. This was the last low of August right here. So once the market took out that low of August, what did I tell you? We're not going to say, oh, price just went below this low, it's going to be a breakout. It's going to be a breakout for shorts. No, that's what retail think. That's what the dumb money thing. That's what Instagram and Twitter and Discord and Telegram, that's what all those traders are thinking. They're breaking out. I don't trade breakouts. I don't teach my students to trade breakouts. Once the price goes below a old monthly low, or a old previous session low, or just a regular old low, we're going to be anticipating and we're going to be waiting for smart money to show his hand to go long. So in this example right here, what do you see? Once again, price went below what? August. Price went below what? The August low. So once price took out this August low on Friday, April 4th, we're not going to be interested in sales. I don't care if the market falls off a cliff. We do not sell below old lows. Only retail sell below old lows. Only the retail guys, they sell below old lows. As a smart money trader, as a reversal trader, once the market is below old lows, we are not looking for sales anymore. We're going to be waiting. If we have to wait 1, 2, 3 weeks for a setup, then guess what? So fucking be it. You wait 1, 2, 3 weeks for the setup, but we are not taking sales because it's low quality. So first rule is checked off here, guys, on the daily time frame chart. As you can see, price came down, took it out what? Old monthly low. So now this old monthly low is taken out. We're going to zoom in here. We're going to wait for some form of displacement. As you can see right here, guys, we had, at the price took out this monthly low, as you can see, we had this nice engulfing candle here that was printed on April 9th, 2025. So we're going to be using this as our displacement. So displacement is confirmed. We have a nice engulfing candle going in our direction, with the narrative being that we are below old lows and we're in a discount market. So now that we have our bias, now that we know that we're in a discount market on the daily time frame chart, we're going to be dropping down to our 8-hour time frame. Now, I know a lot of you guys probably don't use the 8-hour time frame, guys. It's literally, you can, like I said, you can use the 8-hour or the 4-hour time frame. I use both. Now, what I'm doing here on my 8-hour time frame, I'm simply looking for a fair value gap or inversion fair value gap to, you know, pretty much validate my long position. So once again, guys, I am bullish, right? I'm bullish on ADCHF. Price was in a what? In a deep discount, the daily time frame. Price came down, taking out what? This old monthly low. So we're not going to be chasing. Do we see displacement? Yes. What's this right here? What's this right here? This is displacement. Price came down, filled in this nice fair value gap perfectly. Now we're going to zoom in here. As you can see, guys, what do we have right here? So we had a bearish fair value gap, right? So right, look, let me zoom in a little bit closer. So right here, guys, as you can see, we had a bearish fair value gap. What's my narrative? Ron, what's my narrative? I just told you I'm bullish. So do you think that I'm going to go short off this bearish fair value gap? No, I'm going to be anticipating. I'm going to be waiting. I'm going to be stalking. I'm going to be sitting back waiting for price to close above this bearish fair value gap. And once price comes back down, as you can see right here, as price came back down and tapped this inversion fair value gap, we're going to be using this as our real support and resistance. All these guys are talking about support and resistance. No, this is real support and resistance. So I'm going to go over that one more time. My narrative is bullish. I'm looking to go long on ADCHF. On the daily time frame chart, price took out a monthly low. After price took out that monthly low, we need to wait for displacement. Do we see displacement? Ask yourself this question, right? Do you see displacement? If you said no, you don't know what you're doing. You need to, you know, go watch some more videos. This is clear displacement. Clear displacement, nothing to think about. If we zoom in more, what do we see right here? We had a bearish inversion fair value gap. So our retail, all the, you know, the trend line guys, the trend chasers, they went short off this fair value gap. As smart money traders, we are already anticipating. We are anticipating this fair value gap to fail. And once this fair value gap fails, price is going to come back down inside this fair value gap and use this as support. So with that being said, now we're going to drop down to our 15-minute time frame, and we're going to be observing the bullish one shot, one kill setup. So as you guys can see right here, this setup did form on Thursday. Remember this gray line, guys, this gray box, that's that same inversion fair value gap. So notice how on Wednesday, price came down inside the inversion fair value gap. We exploded to the upside. As you can see right here, on Thursday, this is what a trade was taken at. Let's go over this trade real quick. For what's the first rule of the bullish one shot, one kill, Ron? Price needs to take out what? Asian low. So we're going to mark out Asian low. So Asian low is purged. So we're going to take out Asian low. All right, so Asian low is now purged. After Asian low is purged, what are we expecting now? Ron, what should I do after Asian low is purged? What do I do now? You wait for London displacement. Let me put this in the middle here. I'm sorry. You're going to be waiting on London displacement. Ron, where's the London displacement, bro? Ron, where's the displacement? It's right here. Is this not displacement? If you said no, once again, you need to do some more studying. You may be a newbie. This is clear displacement. Nothing to think about. Okay, Ron, we had price taking out Asian low. Price is in a discount. Price had London displacement. What do I do now? What's the next step, bro? Okay, The next step, you're going to be using the OTE retracement, drawing your fib from the last low of London all the way up to the current high. I'm going to make this black so you guys can see. Second. All right, so you guys can see right here, using the 62 level, 70.50, 79 level as our parameters for OTE. As you can see, what time did price retrace back down? 5 a.m., 6:15. Taking our entries here. Once again, go check my Telegram chat. Real accounts, real payouts. I don't trade demo. I don't trade paper money. As you can see, price went ahead and took off to what the previous day high of Wednesday, making this a nice bullish one-shot, one-kill scenario. So before this video ends, guys, I want to go over this trade setup one more time. I want to go over the reason why this is a discount. First and foremost, guys, as we talked about in the bullet points, price what? So what's the whole narrative run? Price went below an old low. What's that old low run? It's an old monthly low. This was the low of August. Price went below that. If the price goes below this low of August, we're going to be waiting for, what do I do now, Ron? What do I do next? You wait for displacement. Ron, where is the displacement, bro? I don't see the displacement. It's right here at this candle. April 9th. April 9th with displacement. Okay, Ron, now that you got displacement on a daily chart, what do you do now, Ron? So you did all this analysis on the daily chart. What do you do now? I come down to my 8-hour chart or my 4-hour chart, whichever one fits you. Okay, Ron, you're on your 8-hour chart. So what are you looking for on that? What do I do there? You're looking for a inversion fair value gap to get inverted. So in other words, you're looking for a bearish fair value gap. If you're bullish, you want to see a bearish fair value gap get inverted. Ron, where? I don't see that. Where is? Can you please point that out? It's right here. Bearish fair value gap. Price winning right here. At the price close outside of this, it's invalid. So when price comes back inside of it, we're going to be using that as support. So our POI was this bearish inversion fair value gap. Come down to our 15-minute time frame. 15-minute is just simply waiting for the model to form. What's the model, Ron? I don't know the model. Asian low, purge, check. London displacement, check. New York session OTE retracement to the 62 level, check. Stop loss goes at the 100 level here at this old low. And we're going to be taking profits at 2R. Obviously, price ran up for a 4R, but I take profits at 2R every single time. And that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Once again, this video was about a discount market, what to look for in a discount, what to anticipate in a discount. So fast forward, and once you start live trading or when you start doing your back testing, you want to make sure that a discount market, you are below old lows, monthly lows, previous session lows, previous month lows, previous week lows. Make sure that you are trading below those key levels, and you can really start to see, consistency in your development. So make sure you guys like this video, subscribe. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for the support, and I will catch you guys in the next boot camp. Peace.